that right now. This hole. 40. Throwing some casts. It's a good idea. This is a good fish. Oh wow. I've not had a bite in a while, but something kind of cool is up ahead of me. Gotta try to get closer if I can. But there's a deer crossing the pond. Not sure if you're able to see it, but looks like a fairly big deer. We'll see once he or she gets up here. Not sure if the bucks are growing their antlers back yet, but looks like a doe. Just on its lonesome. Kind of cool. Oh, there it goes. Unfortunately, there's a road right there, so sure hope using the camera yet, but finally hooked up. Not a halfway decent bass. It's a boot. Not too shabby. Well, he's gone. Trying to keep him jumping some decent fish. Oh yeah, baby. Not bad at all. That's so. All right. Get the board ready. Photo ready. Bigger than I thought. 16 and a half. Goes almost 17. Couldn't quite get him there. Nice fish. All right, number 3. There we go. Bad one either. That was close. Sometimes you just have to cast where you pretty much know you're gonna catch one, and that was one of those casts right there. Don't you do it. Another nice fish. Chunky again. Number 3, limit done. Not too bad. See ya. Now, that right there was a little clue. What did I go do? He had a friend back there. So I just got this feeling that he did. More cast. Oh. I think that was bluegill. Putting the spinnerbait down because I got a limit. But it's so flat calm. I wonder if a finesse would be better in this situation, but just don't know. When you have a limit, it gives you a little more opportunity to mess around just a little bit. I'm gonna do that right now. This hole. I've already thrown some casts. It's a good idea. This is a good fish. Oh wow. Yeah. He's not as big as I thought he was, but nice bass. Didn't have my drag set. That was almost a comedy of errors right there. Not that long piece of nice chunky fish. Try get a photo of this one. I need to do some cleaning. Beautiful fish. Come on. Beautiful. Awesome fish. almost a comedy of errors. Drop my pole in the lake. Not sure if this will be an upgrade, but yeah. Let's see. I go 16. Nice chunky one. Jeez. All right, let's try that again. Goodness gracious.